Alright, so let's start with our new section which is called the Laravel mails. Now in this section we are going to talk about how we can configure the mailing system in Laravel, how we can utilize the mailing infrastructure, how we can send emails through Laravel, the queuing emails, markdown emails, templating emails, and lot of more things we are going to talk about in this section. So first of all, let's see like what the Laravel mail is and how we can configure the mail. Now in every application we need a way to send the emails to the users, whether they have purchased the order or the order has been shipped or it's in process or if it's cancelled or rejected. So we need to send emails of certain kinds to our users. So for that purposes, Laravel provide a mailing system out of the box for us, and it is very powerful by sending the emails. So let's see how we can configure the Laravel email system. So if we go to our application file and we have inside the config, we have the mail application here, mail file. Now inside this mail file, we have a default mailer is set to basically the SMTP. Now this SMTP means basically like it is going to use the server configuration for sending the emails, like wherever you are going to deploy your application. If you have not set up any mailing server, so the default mailing server will be your web hosting mailing server. And down below we have mailers of all the options given, like we can utilize the SMTP and we can configure our own host if we want to use for different purposes, like we can use the mailgun, we can use mail trap and stuff like that. So there are a lot of other options available out there in the market. Then we have the SES, then we have the postmark, mailgun, sendmail, and then we have the array here. So this is used for like logging the emails into our application before sending them out in production time. So all we can do is basically all the configurations can be done from here, but obviously not from here. We are not going to do the configurations from here, but actually we are going to configure the mailing system from our .env environment variable files. Now since we are working on our local machine and we do not have any way of sending emails from our local machine to our live servers, if you do not configure any mailing server, so for that purposes we are going to use the mail trap, which will basically not actually send the emails to the customers, but this will trap the emails and keep those emails inside the platform. And then what will happen is basically those emails will not be sent to the users, and we can review them emails before sending it to production environment. Now let's quickly go ahead and create our account to mail trap. Now all we need to do is basically, if you do not have configured or created your account, so I would suggest you to please create your account in mail trap. After creating the account, you can use the login, and from login I am going to use my Google account here because I have already created my mail trap account. Now once you will reach to this platform, once you log into your account, you will see the two different options. So the first option you should go with is basically like start testing. We are actually using the fake SMTP server here, not the real SMTP server. So all we need to do is basically click on that, and you will see out of by default you will have an inbox. So the maximum capacity of the inbox will be basically 50 messages. So all we need to do is basically click on this settings icon here, and you will see the way of sending emails to the mail trap. So out of the box, this also provides us the option for Laravel here. So you can use the Laravel 9 Plus, and this will give you all the necessary information for setting up the mail trap things into our env file. So all you need to do is basically to copy this one from here and go into the .env file, and below we have the mail trap here, this one. So all you need to do is basically just paste this here like so. Now the SMTP has been configured successfully. Now let's see how we can actually create an email, generate an email, and send those emails to our users. So that's about it, and I will see you in the next one.